hood. Rappers in my hood. The 100 pots of women, me and Herschel Wood. What about
Swing loud in the bitch, you know me. Fresh to death with a rice white teeth is QP. Look at me shining, man, I'm on the grinding. Can't see I'm high with my niggas on the pining, Yeah, you know, cold in the motherfucker, fly in a bitch. Don't give a fuck shit. I'ma go and smoke my doja. Yeah, and my soldier. If you don't fucking hear me, man, I already told you I'm colder. Knuckle bumper hurt you in your face. You know the motherfuckers out there gon' get put out of place on the tipping. Cause you know me, catch me never stay slipping. Sipping on the codeine, man, the mind is real gone. Can't you see your homies out there? They all gone. Yet they got blown in the fucking sky. The motherfuckers riding home by, they just died. Yeah, they deceased. Motherfuckers dead and they coming down slow. Cause I got to fucking ride and got to get my paper. So you can see what you gonna see later. Cause these motherfuckers never heard from them haters. I'm coming down slow. If you already know the QP come and hit you in your nose. Give you a dose of a cold nigga. You never figure I'm a straight hitter. A block B a knock hitter. Yeah, that's what's real. Can you feel? I'm a G. If you wanna hit with me, the boy QP the beast. Yeah.